In this talk, we are going to download and install JDK for our computer. Okay, so let me show you how you can download the JDK. First, before downloading, if you have already installed JDK in your operating system, if it is already installed in your operating system, so don't need to download it again. And if it is not installed in your operating system, you can follow these steps and you will get a better understanding how you can download the JDK from Oracle official website. So I'm going to check first JDK is installed in my operating system or not. So Java, this is going to be a command Java hyphen, which I have already discussed in my last lecture. So before going to do practical, just see the last lecture, then come back here and do it again. Okay, Java hyphen version. Now I have the JDK version, that is 17.0.9. It means I have JDK version 17 and runtime environment which I'm using, which belongs to the Microsoft Corporation, and JDK, which is a 64-bit server, which having the virtual machine of Microsoft. Provider is Microsoft. Okay, it means I have already installed the JDK in my operating system. So what you need to do, just I'm showing you the steps. So if you are not having the JDK in your computer, so you can see how to download. Okay, for that let me open the Safari, and in that let me open the yes. Now just go on the Google and just type JDK download and hit enter. Now once you press the enter key, you will reach to this web page, and here you will see first one is a www.oracle.com, which is an official website of Oracle. So you can go, and it is for the JDK. Okay, so just click on that for downloading the JDK. So this is the Oracle website. This is the Oracle official website. Here, what you need to do on the Oracle official website, you can say there is two versions. They showing, they emphasizing like it's a 21 and Java 17 is available now. Whichever you want to download, you just switch. Like if you want 17 version, you get it here, and if you want 21, that is the latest version, you can download that. So I'm just recommending you to download the JDK 21. Yes, and now now you are going to choose the operating system. If you are using the Linux operating system, so you can download from here. Yes, all these versions according to your operating system, just choose and click on the link which is suits your requirement. And if you are a Mac user, so go for the Mac operating system. And for the Mac user, just let me tell you which one is good for you. Just go for the last one, 83.50 MB. This link, once you click, it will start downloading. No need to worry about. Okay. Now you can see this is the JDK for Windows users. If you are using Windows operating system, so this is for you. So which one is good for you? Like a middle one, 64-bit installer. You can just click on that link, and you will see download will start automatically once click on this link. Yes, so and if you want to know more about that in detail, so you can go for the documentation. That is no need if I'm explaining to you. Okay, so according to my computer, just I'm going to download the last one. Just I because I'm already having JDK 17. Just I want to upgrade 17 to 21. So what I can do, just click on that link, and it will ask me like, do you want to allow downloads on oracle.com? You can change which website can download files in website section, Safari setting. Yes, now it is started downloading. You can say here, yes, bottom right hand corner you can see, and top also you can see here. Yes, if you click there, you will see now it is downloading. Okay, so once it will download, then we will good to go with further process. So for that, just wait for a couple of seconds, and once it will download, you will be ready to install the JDK 21 in your operating system. Okay, now you can see JDK 21 Mac OS 64-bit DMG file .dmg file is downloaded. Okay, so what you need to do, just double click on that, and now you can see JDK 21.0.1.pkg. So again, double click on that, you can see it is opening. Yeah, installer is opening. This installation of JDK 21.0.1 is for 64-bit systems. On this computer, please download the ARM64 installer. Click close to exit these installations. So what I need to do now, I need to install the ARM64-bit. Now it's again started downloading. Okay, so now it is started downloading, and let me close it and just wait for a couple of seconds. Now you can see the previous version, the previous JDK 21 Mac OS 64-bit architecture was not working in my operating system. So I have downloaded again the second, like the ARM64 DMG installer, because it was, this installer is not working in my operating system on my machine. So now I have downloaded this one, 81.26 MB, and just I have clicked on this link, and now that is, we can see here it is downloaded. Now I again do the same thing, double click on that, and it will take me to this page. Here I can see again the JDK 21.0.1.pkg. Again, I need to click on that icon, double click on that icon. Now, now it is showing the welcome screen. These are all the steps which we need to follow. That is the instructions which I have already discussed in my last lecture. So if you haven't seen yet again, so you can go and check it out. So these are the instructions. First, introduction, then we have destination select, installation type, installation summary. I'll tell you all those, but before that, just follow me. Welcome to the JDK 20.0.1 installer, and this is pop-up window which is opened after clicking on this icon. Yes, and here written is, this program will guide you through the installation process for the Java SE development kit 21.0.1. Yes, and what you can understand here, SE means standard edition. Standard edition is a free version of Java, and if you want to use enterprise version, so that will be paid. Yes, okay, let it be. And this Java is, we are downloading from the Oracle official website. We have downloaded from the Oracle official website. Okay, so just click on the continue button. Yes, now it is asking for the selected destination where you want to install that software. Now first instruction we have completed. Now we came to the second instruction, that is destination select. Yes, and how do you want to install the software? Install for all users of this computer. Installing this software requires 336.7 MB of space. If you install this software, it will take 336.7 MB of space. You have chosen to install this software for all users of this computer. Yes, so just click on the continue button. Here is a go back button. If you want to change on your previous instruction something, so you can click on that, you will be go back. But if you again click continue, you will come here. Okay, again I'm clicking the continue button. Now you can see we have reached the third step, third instructions, we can say installation type. Now standard install on Macintosh HD. Yes, and this will take 336.7 MB of space on your computer. Click install to perform a standard installation of this software for all users of this computer. All users of this computer will be able to use this software. If you want to change the location, you can change the location if you click here. And if you don't want to change that location, so leave it default. Okay, so again click on the install button, and it will ask you for your username and your password. Yes, and then it will start installing in your operating system. So let me write it down. Username is, now I'll install. Okay, this is not correct. So again, let me do it. Yes. Again, click on the install. Now it is installing in my operating system. Okay, so now we have installed successfully. What is written there? The installation was completed successfully. Now we have completed all the instructions for the installation process. So for the documentation purpose, for this version, you can visit to the standard edition documentation, which is available there. If you want to click, that will take you to the Oracle official website, and that documentation you use for the better understanding to use this software. Okay, to access tutorials, API documentation, developer guides, release notes, and more to help you to get started with the JDK. Okay, now it means we have successfully installed JDK in our operating system. Okay, if you want to click Java SE documentation, so you can click, just see what is happening. Yeah, now here you can see JDK 21 documentation. There is a home, overview, tools are there, language and libraries are there, specifications, security, hotspot virtual machine, manage and troubleshoot, client technologies. Okay, all these I'll discuss, but don't worry about it. I'll explain all those information. But if you want to read by yourself, so that is good to go with this documentation. So like release notes, what is the release notes is there, you can follow and you can check it out. Yes, bug fixes, what type of bug fixes by 2021 version and 17 version, you can check it out. Yes, what type of system crash and something, you can just read it out and you will get all those information. Okay, close it. And now we have checked the Java SE documentation and we have completed all these instructions. Now we need to click on the close button. Do you want to move the JDK 21.0.1 installer to the bin? Yes, I have already installed in my operating system, and I don't want to put that space for the installer which I have already downloaded 183 point something MBs. So I just click on the move to bin. It will delete it from my operating system. That is here. This is going to be deleted. Okay, just see. Once I click, okay, okay, in bin. Yeah, DMG installer is deleted. Yes, it is gone from here. Okay, that's good. Now we can check on first time. I have checked the 17.0.9 version. Let me check it again. I'll just click on the terminal and again just type the Java hyphen version, and it will tell me which version I'm having right now. Now you can see I'm having the Java version 21.0.1. Yes, and runtime environment which I have standard edition and a 64-bit server is there. And yeah, I was having previously 17 version, Java 17. Now I have upgraded to 21 version, which is the latest version. And because I just want to show you how it works, so that's why I try to show you like that. Okay, so that's cool. Now we have reached end of the installation process, and we have seen how to install JDK in any operating system. Either you are having Linux operating system, Windows operating system, or Mac operating system. Now you know that how you can install JDK. Okay, that's all for this lecture. I'll see you in the next lecture. Okay, learn Java and be happy.